Today we're taking a closer look at the RedRock 4-inch Drop TC1 Running Boards with a texture black finish for the 2024 and newer Tacoma Double Cab. This upgrade is going to be perfect for Tacoma owners looking to enhance both accessibility and the rugged appearance of their vehicle by adding functional side steps that blend seamlessly with that truck's design. All right, well, right out of the box, the standout feature of these running boards is the slick, hard angles in the design. These are engineered to provide a convenient step for easy entry and exit, especially beneficial for those lifted Tacomas. These side steps also serve as dual purpose by offering protection against minor impacts, protecting the lower sides of the truck. Their design complements the Tacoma's factory aesthetics with a clean and rugged addition to the side profile. They offer this nice, clean, angular step, dropping down 4 inches, giving you 4 inches of easier access. And they have this slotted design to help water and mud slide right through, so you can keep that solid footing in all conditions. Constructed from durable materials, these running boards are designed to withstand the rigors of daily use and off-road adventures without warping or becoming disfigured. The texture black finish not only enhances their visual appeal, but also provides some additional protection against the elements and rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity and a sustained performance even under repeated daily use. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, they're coming in right in that mid to upper $200 price range. This is a very solid price point for a balance of functionality and style, providing both practical benefits and an upgraded look to your Tacoma. It's pretty hard to find this clean and this rugged of a side step at a cheaper price. Installation is nice and straightforward, so we are rating this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in about 2 hours of your time. These running boards are designed as a direct bolt-on upgrade, and they're going to utilize those factory mounting points on the Tacoma. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that install process goes.
For this install, you will need a ratchet, 12 and 13 millimeter sockets. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some side steps on our Tacoma, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we're starting off underneath the truck right behind our pinch weld, and we're on the driver's side. You're going to find these factory threaded inserts. Now they may have some placeholder bolts in them. If you need to take them out, they will be a 12 millimeter socket on a ratchet to get those off. Once you have those off, you can discard or hold on to them, but we're going to grab our 13 millimeter bolts, lock washers and flat washers, as well as our brackets. Now these are labeled for each position, so we're on the driver's side at the center, so this would be DC for center. Same thing goes for the rear and the front on both sides. They're all marked for their positioning. So we'll get our 2 bolts in for our bracket. We're just going to get them hand tight for now. Once you have this first one on, you can do the same thing for your other 2 brackets. Now that we have our brackets loosely in place, we're going to set our steps onto those brackets. Now these do have threaded inserts on the back side of them, one for the back and one for the bottom. So we're going to line those up with our brackets. It's easiest to do this from underneath, where you can set these on and see where your brackets are landing. Once we have those in place, we're going to grab our provided combo bolts, get those through our brackets into our steps, and we'll just do hand tight for the moment. Once you have this first one in place, you can do the same thing for your other 2 brackets. Now once you have all of your bracketry and hardware in place, you want to make sure you have any adjustments done to where you want them to sit. They do have a little bit of adjustment up and down. Once you've got that set, you can grab your 13 millimeter socket on a ratchet and tighten down all of your hardware. And once you've got this bracket tight, you can do the same thing for the other 2. Now once you have this side on, you can do the same thing for the other side. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our 4-inch Drop TC1 Running Boards with textured black finish for your 24 to current Tacoma Double Cab. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.